Hi everyone. I haven't filmed a YouTube video in months. I think the last time I filmed was like in May. But I hope to start filming more videos in the new year. So if you're watching this, Happy New Year. I hope you had a great 2022. So today I'm going to be filming a perfume collection, and also, by the way, I'm filming this at like 2 something in the morning, but it doesn't really matter as long as I try my best to film it. But I hope you enjoy it, and maybe you'll be inspired to start wearing some of these fragrances by trying them out. So these are my perfumes and body sprays that I'm going to show you. So yeah. So right here I have Body Fantasies Cotton Candy, and it just smells like cotton candy. Here I have Red Velvet. To me it smells like more like cream cheese frosting than the red velvet, but yeah. Then I have Gumdrop the Beat by Pink. And to me it smells like candy, or like maybe like a little bit of like orange, but like a candy like type way. This is a mini Bath and Body Works body spray. It's Winter Candy Apple, and it smells like apples and like cinnamon. Here's Mary Cookie, and it smells sweet like cookies and maybe like a little bit of lemon too. Then here's Fresh Sparkling Snow. This like kind of a like fresh smell. Here's Fairy Tale, and this like kind of smells like sweet and like a little bit of florally. Velvet Petals by Victoria's Secret, and the fragrance notes in the back says Lush Blooms and Almond Glaze, and to me it smells like florally and like a little bit of sweet as well. Here's Love Spell by Victoria's Secret, and to me this kind of smells similar to Pure Seduction, like not like exactly, but like a little bit similar. But I also have that one too, Pure Seduction. And then it's Juice Plum and Crushed Freesia, and this is like a fruity type fragrance, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of floral. Bare Vanilla, and this just smells like vanilla. Here I have XO Mi Amor, and to me this smells like pink sugar, like has a similar fragrance composition. Strawberry by Bath and Body Works, and it just smells like strawberries. Strawberry Pound Cake, and this smells like strawberries mixed with cake and like frosting. Firecracker Pop, and this smells like kind of like a juicy fruity like popsicle, if that makes any sense, like summery. Watermelon Lemonade, and it smells like what it basically says, like lemonade and like watermelons. Love and Sunshine, and to me this smells like fruity and sweet, and like it kind of reminds me of spring and like the summertime. Cotton Candy Clouds, and this smells sweet and soft. It's not like overly sweet, surprisingly. It's like a mild sweet. Mad About You, And this was one of my favorites, like back when I was in middle school. And this to me, like, it smells sweet and like fruity to me. Berry waffle cone, and this smells like berries and like maybe like, I guess how like an ice cream cone would smell. This smells pretty good. It's very sweet smelling. Hello Beautiful. This is the diamond Shimmeriness, so when you spray it, it's like all sparkly, and this smells like very florally and like a little bit of fresh. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I'm hoping that more don't fall. So here is Forever Red, and to me this smells like sweet and maybe like a little bit of like musky, but it's mostly sweet smelling. Twisted peppermint, and this smells like a peppermint candy. This is one of the Bath and Body Works Christmas themed fragrances. Vanilla Bean Noel, and to me this smells like vanilla with like maybe like caramel added to it, because it's like vanilla, but it's like a very like warm, like sweet scent. And it's one of my favorites as well during the holidays. Coconut cream pie, and this one, like, it smells like coconut and like kind of like sweet like cake or cupcakes. It doesn't really smell like pie to me, but it's like more so like coconutty and like pastry like. 1,000 Wishes, and to me this smells like sweet as well and like kind of fruity too, but yeah. Pink Chiffon, and this was one of my favorites when I was in middle school as well. To me it smells sweet and like a little bit of fruity as well, and like maybe like a little bit of vanilla. Paris Amour, this was also one of my favorites when I was in middle school, and to me it smells like florally and like fruity type, like smells really good. Live Love Dream by Arrow, and once again this was another one of my favorites when I was in middle school, and to me this smells sweet and like fruity type, like. Then I have Tahiti Island Dream, and this smells like tropical and like coconutty. Then here I have Classic Pink, and I got this like when I was like 13. Like, I didn't really use it because like, I really don't like it because it's not really like my favorite like fragrance category. To me this smells like musky and like fresh types, and I'm not really into like those type of scents. If you notice, I'm more into like floral, fruity, gourmand or gourmand, if I'm pronouncing it right, type fragrances. Then here, this is a an impression slash dupe of Pink Sugar. It's called Sweet Pink, and it just smells like sweet and like candy like. Here's another fragrance that I had since I was like around like 13, and like I didn't really like this one either because like to me it kind of had like a more like mature scent, and I just didn't really like it. It wasn't like my favorite fragrance category. Here I have Refuge Adore, and I got this from Charlotte Bruce like a few years ago, and this smells like fresh and like maybe a little bit of fruity. It's not really like sweet smelling, it's more like fresh and like fruity. Here I have the Paris Hilton perfume. And to me, that this just smells like, I think this is called Eris if I'm not mistaken. But to me this smells like fruity and like sweet also. Then I have this mini perfume called Totally Cute by Claire's, and like it smells just like fresh type of like fragrance. A mini fantasy perfume by Britney Spears. Bombshell by Victoria's Secret. Scandalous by Victoria's Secret. Fairyland, I think this is what this is called, and it's just like one of like those impression fragrances. This one's called Unlock My Heart and Feel the Fever. I think this is like an impression of like a Justin Bieber perfume. That one smells good too. Pink Sweet Pea Fantasy by Body Fantasies. Tease by Victoria's Secret. Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. Candy Blossom. This is like another like impression type fragrance. Classy Cheek. Impress Me. Charm. Go For It. A fragrance oil that I had as a kid that I made with like a gift set. Then I have a mini coconut cream pie fragrance mist. Honey Peach body spray. Then on this side I have Sweet Love by Bodycology. Girl Gang by Pink. A Live Love Dream glitter rollerball. Then right here I have mini Ariana Grande fragrances. Here is the mini Thank You Next perfume. A mini Ari by Ariana Grande. A mini Cloud perfume by Ariana Grande. Mini Moonlight. And last but not least, a mini Sweet Like Candy. And also I forgot to show on this side I have Fresh and Clean by Pink. Then right here I have Oh So Fearless by Loves. And this, like, to me smells like florally and like a little bit of fruity. Then I have Exclamation. It's like a late 80s slash 90s fragrance, and to me this smells like peaches and like powder and like vanilla. It smells really good. Icon by Route 21. This smells like fruity and fresh. To me it smells like apples, kind of. Fantasy by Britney Spears. I really like this bottle. It's really cute. This is my favorite color, pink, and also it has these rhinestones on it. They're so cute. Then I have Miss Bloom, and Miss Blossom, and it smells very floral like and like a little bit of musky. Then I have an actual real pink sugar perfume, and it smells really good, like pink. Well, it is pink, but it smells like candy and like sugary. Princess by Vera Wang, and this perfume smells sweet, like kind of like vanilla-y, and like it's also like a warm type scent, if that makes any sense. And is one of my favorites. Then I have Flower Princess by Vera Wang, and this one smells more florally and like fresh, kind of. And I like the bottle too. Both bottles are pretty, but this one, like, since it's like pink, that one's like really pretty to me. Then I have Fancy by Jessica Simpson, and this smells fruity and sweet. So yeah. And I believe these are all of the fragrances that I own. If I missed anyone, then it's probably because like there are so many. So like I tried to get as much as I could on camera. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.